Far above the Arctic Circle, snowing mountains rise from the sea. Cabins, red and gold, face the cold of February. Fading of winter light, unlike the moment before. Perpetual cadence of the ocean, sculpting rocks on every shore. Deep blue waves, a foaming trail left aside. Beaches of the northern coasts, where sand and ice collide. Sun barely above horizon, soothing landscape of black and white. On this timeless day we drive, chasing the Arctic light. A journey away from land, piercing breeze from the north. Only silence but cracking ice inside the frozen mirror fjord. Majestic rifts all around, captivated by their impressive size. The sound of sea eagles echoing through the skies. A steep hike uphill after the storm, tiring steps to climb. Our ascension has begun, reaching the mountain peak on time. Accomplishment and exhaustion come with the falling of the night, but our endless pursuit continues, chasing the Arctic light.